friends, today we're feeding our worms. The last feeding they're going to get for probably close to 2 weeks. And I have a bag and I'm carefully trying to dislodge the frozen watermelon that past me did not cut small enough. So it's proving a little difficult, but this watermelon is going to be our next in our burrito series for them. And it's going to be wrapped in a nice paper bag from the grocery store. So they're going to enjoy that quite a bit. And the watermelon is going to help with all of the bedding that we've been putting in recently, helping make sure it's a nice, habitable destination for our Wormingtons. I'm going to wrap this up, and this is going to get fed along the perimeter like we've been feeding. But these pumpkins, former dog treats, are going to get placed in the center to help produce some calcium there. Here. So we have already gone ahead and dug ourselves a little hole for the next feeding, which might not exactly be where they're supposed to be fed next, but it's where it makes sense for feeding, so we're going to put it in. So we're just going to put a whole breeding in, and because it's already been wrapped in paper, we don't have to worry about covering it too much. And we're currently at about 78 degrees in here, so perfect temperature for our worms. And now we're going to do something we haven't done before, and that is make a nice section here. And I need to scoop. We're going to make a spot in the center here, and that way we can put our giant pumpkin, or mini pumpkins, I suppose, that were dog toys, or dog treats, I suppose. Trying to be careful because I know there's worms in here that we put in these, you know, from these castings from the other day when we put everybody in here. But they'll understand once there's pumpkin involved, I think. It's gonna take a second. Because I know underneath these castings, which are recently added, is more bedding that we just happen to cover over. So, oops on me for doing this. Alright. Also, I gotta be careful about making sure I move enough for the worms because these pumpkins are not, there's nothing protecting the worms from the coldness, which can be dangerous for them. Ooh, but this new one, maybe we'll just take this, start there. Not that this will help tremendously, but it'll help insulate a little bit. Okay, let's try a first pumpkin. Cats are killing themselves in the background, it sounds like. Let's see how these work. Alright, well, there's enough room for one pumpkin. I'm going to move more dirt from this side, more castings, because it's been a while since they've been fed over here. So we'll try and keep it in the center, because this is where the other pumpkin is. So maybe we'll just put this one here. We'll let them come back to it, but it's sort of in the middle. Not ideal, but not the worst idea I've ever had either. So I'm just taking some of the bedding from over here, putting it on top to help cover our pumpkins up. So we'll have pumpkins in the middle, watermelon over here. So the next feeding, theoretically, could be here, but I think we should probably feed again in the center because we haven't really fed in the center at all yet. So it might be easier for next time just to feed it in the middle. But we'll see. But I think the pumpkins alone are probably going to take a week or at least 2 weeks to get broken down, I would imagine, at that size. But I've never given them pumpkins, or mostly full pumpkins before, so it'll be a surprise. Okay friends, this is the last video for a while. Update you soon.